Good afternoon, students. Yesterday I explained up to 16th problem. Today I will explain 17th one. Okay, 17th one. A man of height is 6 meters observes his image to be 2 meters high and erect. The mirror is used. So which type of mirror is used? Means here we use convex mirror. We use convex mirror. Okay. 18th one. A concave mirror has a radius of curvature 0.2 meters. Then its focal length is okay. So here R equal to 0.2 meters. Then find focal length. So what is the relation between focal length and radius of curvature? So here R equal to 2f. Radius of curvature equal to 2 times of the focal length. Therefore, focal length f equal to here r by 2. So r equal to here 0.2 meters by 2. Okay. So here we can write f equal to 2 by 20 meters. So 1 here 2 10. So f equal to here 1 by 10, that equal to 0.1 meter. So focal length equal to 0.1 meter. So 18th one, option number C is the answer. Option number C is the answer. Now 18th one. So what is the 18th one number? The focal length of convex mirror is 20 centimeters. Then its radius of curvature is. Okay. 19. Focal length is given. Focal length equal to f equal to how much? Focal length equal to 20 centimeters. Then find r value. R equal to how much? The relation between f and r. R equal to here 2f. That equal to 2 into 20. 2 into 20, that equal to 40 centimeters. So radius of the curvature equal to 40 centimeters. 40 centimeters. Okay, ma. Next one. 20. A convex mirror has a focal length 0.5 meters. Then its radius of curvature is. is 20. A focal length f equal to here 0.5 meters. This value changing to meters. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. Okay. Therefore, f equal to here 0.5 into 100, that equal to 50 centimeters. Focal length equal to 50 centimeters. Therefore, radius of the curvature r equal to 2 into f. 2 into f, that equal to 50 100 centimeters. So radius of the curvature equal to 100 centimeters, or we can write 1 meter also. So r equal to 100 centimeters or 1 meter. 100 centimeter or 1 meter. Okay. Next, 21st. 21st one. A convex mirror as a radius of curvature. A convex mirror as a radius of curvature. Radius of curvature is 20 centimeters. Then its position of the image of an object placed at a distance of 12 centimeters from its mirror. So the image, to find the position of the image means image distance. So 21st one, convex mirror as a radius of curvature. R is given, R equal to 20 centimeters. Therefore F equal to R by 2, 20 by 2, that equal to 10 centimeters. Focal length equal to 10 centimeters. Here object distance is given, that equal to 12 centimeters. We can write here minus 12 centimeters. For object distance for the convex mirror as well as concave mirror is negative. So here U equal to minus 12. But focal length of the convex mirror is positive. So our aim is to find the V equal to how much? Okay, we know that 1 by F equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. So 1 by F equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. Okay, now substitute this values. 1 by F means 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 equal to minus 1 by 12 plus 1 by V. Minus 1 by 12 coming to the side, that is positive, that equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 12 is equal to 1 by V. So LCM between 10 and 12. How much now? 2 5, 2 6. 60 is the LCM. 60 is the LCM. Here 6 times, here 5 times. So here 6 plus 5 by 60 equal to 1 by V. Okay, so here 11 by 60 equal to 1 by V. 11 by 60 equal to 1 by V. Therefore 1 by V equal to 11 by 60. Therefore V equal to 60 by 11. 60 by 11. V equal to how much? 60 by 11. Option number A is the answer. 21st one. A is the answer. A is the answer. Next question number 22. A concave mirror having a radius of curvature 40 centimeters is placed in front of a illuminated point source of a distance of 30 centimeters from it. Then the location of the image is. So given mirror is concave mirror, focal length and object distance also negative. 22nd one, R equal to 40 centimeters. Therefore F equal to R by 2, 40 by 2, that equal to 20 centimeters. It is a given mirror is concave mirror. Then focal length of the concave mirror is negative, that equal to minus 20 centimeters. Okay, next the position of the object is given. The position of the object equal to 30 centimeters. it is a concave mirror, so u is negative. Listen once again. F means here focal length, u means object distance, and u means object distance. So v equal to image distance. So our aim is to find the v equal to how much? V equal to how much? What is the relation between f means focal length, u object distance, and v image distance? That is equal to 1 by f equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So 1 by f equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. Now 1 by f means here minus 1 by 20 equal to minus 1 by 30 plus 1 by v. Okay, so minus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30 is equal to 1 by v. The addition between 20 and 30 equal to what is the LCM between 20 and 30? 20 and 30. 2 table 210 to 15. Again 5 table. 60. So here 6 times minus 6 plus here 2 times by 60 equal to 1 by v. Okay, minus 4 by 60 equal to 1 by v. LCM between 20 and 30. Sixty is the LCM. How many times here? Sorry, 60 is the LCM. 60 is the LCM between 20 and 30. Here how many times? Here 3 times. Here 2 times by 60 equal to 1 by v minus 1 by 60 equal to 1 by v. Therefore v equal to minus 60. V equal to minus 60 centimeters. Minus 60 centimeters. Okay, so we got minus 60. So V equal to 60 image is formed at a side of the object. So image is, we can write here V equal to 60 centimeters, and image is formed at the same side at same side of the object. Same side of the object. Okay. Now question number 23. 23 the distance of the object from a concave mirror of focal length 10 centimeters. So the size is 4 times the size of the object. The size of the image is equal to the how many times here? 4 times. Okay. So it is a multiple choice question. 23rd one. So here focal length minus 10 centimeters, minus 10 centimeters. Size of the object. Here, the size of the image size is 4 times the size of the object. Here, V equal to 4u. Here, V equal to 4u. So here we know that m equal to size of the image. Size of the image by size of the object. Size of the object. Okay. So here 4u by u get cancelled. So here m equal to 4. M equal to 4. So here image is virtual because of the m we got positive value. So here m equal to plus 4. Okay, m equal to plus 4. Case 1. Case 1 if image is virtual, if image is virtual, so m is positive, therefore m equal to positive. So what is m? M equal to minus v by u, minus v by u. So m equal to here 4 equal to minus v by u, but here u equal to how much? But here v equal to minus 4u. So u equal to 4 equal to minus v by 4. Sorry, minus u equal to 4. But what is our aim is to find the focal length. Our aim is to find the focal length. So f equal to the formula uv by u plus v. Focal length f equal to, I'm writing here, focal length f equal to uv by u plus v. F equal to uv by u plus v. Therefore f equal to u into v. V equal to minus 4u by u plus v means here minus 4u. So minus 4u square by minus 3u. Minus 3u. So here minus minus get cancelled, u and u get cancelled, that is equal to f. So f equal to here 4u by 3. What is f value? F equal to how much? Minus 10. So minus 10 equal to 4u by 3. And doing cross product, minus 30 equal to 4u. U equal to minus 30 by 4. So 15 to 2s to 1s here to 7.5. So u equal to minus 7.5. So u equal to 7.5. So it is a concave mirror. Therefore we can write u equal to 7.5 centimeter. If image is virtual, then u equal to 7.5. In second case, here image is considered as a real. If image is real, then m equal to here negative. Okay, if m is magnification is negative, then image is real. Listen once again. Object focal length is given minus 10 centimeters. V is given that equal to 4u. M equal to here size of the image by size of the object. So u by v, size of the object equal to 4u by u. U will cancel here. M equal to positive means image is virtual. That means here m is positive. So we know that magnification equal to minus v by u. So but here 4 m equal to 4 minus v by u. So but v is given that equal to 4u. Okay, v equal to here from this we can write v equal to minus 4u. Okay, now we know that the relation between u, f and v, we can write f equal to uv by u plus v. Now f equal to u into v minus 4u by u plus v equal to minus 4u. So u into u square minus. Okay, next up it is minus. Okay, next up plus u minus 4u. U minus 4u that equal to minus 3u. So here minus and here minus get cancel. Remaining value f equal to 4u. U also get cancelled. 4u by 3. So what is f here? Minus 10. So minus 10 equal to 4u by 3. I am doing cross product here. Minus 30 equal to 4u. So u equal to 30 by 4 that equal to 7.5. So here u equal to 7.5. In second case same problem. If image is real, then m is considered as a negative. If m is negative, image is real. Okay. If m is case 2, if image is real, therefore m equal here how much minus 4. M equal here minus 4. M equal how much? Minus 4. So here we know that m equal to minus v by u. M means here minus 4 equal to minus u by minus v by u. Therefore minus we cancel here. Minus we cancel. 4 equal to v by u. Therefore v equal to 4u. So v equal to 4u. Now f equal to 1 by f equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v, or f equal to uv by u plus v, as you wish. Okay, or from this we can write f equal to uv by u plus v. Okay, f equal to how much? Because f is given that focal length minus 10 centimeters. Okay, for concave f is negative. Therefore minus 10 equal to u into 4u by u plus 4u. Okay, so minus 10 equal to 4u square by u plus 4u that equal to 5u. 1u will cancel here. Minus 10 equal to 4u by 5. 4u by 5. Therefore 4u equal to minus 50. U equal to minus 50 by 4. Minus 50 by 4. Okay, 2 table, 2 2s, 2 25. So u equal to minus 25 by 2. 25 by 2. Therefore, u equal to minus 12.5 centimeters. Therefore, it is a concave mirror. We can write u equal to 12.5 centimeters. Okay. If image is negative, we got object distance equal to how much? 12.5 centimeters. 12.5 centimeters. Listen once again. Here, image is real, then m equal to negative. So m is given that equal to minus 4. M is given in the equation m equal to 4. So image is real, magnification is negative. M equal to minus v by u. Okay, so minus 4 equal to minus v by u. So here minus we cancel. Remaining value 4 equal to v by u. I am doing cross product, u into 4 u. Therefore v equal to 4u. So 1 by f equal to here 1 by u plus 1 by v. It is a formula to find the focal length or the relation between focal length, object distance and image distance. In the above equation we can write like this also. F equal to uv by u plus v. But here focal length is given 10 centimeters. So focal length for the concave mirror is negative. Therefore f equal to minus 10 centimeters. So minus 10 equal to u into v. V equal to how much? 4u. So u into 4u by u plus 4u. V equal to 4u. So u plus 4u. So minus 10 equal to u into 4u. 4u square by u plus 4u 5u. So here u and u get cancelled. Okay, remaining value 4u by 5. Now I am doing cross product. So minus 10 into 5 that equal to minus 50. So 4 equal to minus 50. U equal to minus 50 by 4 that equal to 12.5 centimeters. If image is real, if image is virtual, object distance is we got 7.5. First one 7.5 that equal to how much? 7.5 centimeters. Object distance u equal to 7.5 centimeters. If image is real, then object distance is u equal to how much amount we got? 12.5. Okay. Listen. If image is virtual, object distance is 7.5 centimeters. If image is real, then object distance u equal to 12.5. Okay. It is question number 23. Is it once again? F means the focal length, U means object distance, V means image distance. If m is negative, image is real. If m is positive, image is virtual image. So concave mirror, U, V, F means focal length, object distance and image distance is negative from the sign convention. Okay, for sign convention. Okay, next one, for convex mirror only object distance is negative, remaining means focal length and image distance is positive. Okay, thank you.